Hi everyone, a warm welcome to public speaking course. You know that, believe me, it is a fantastic time to learn something and enlarge our skills. See, I assure you, after this course, your life will be changed. So here I am going to reveal all top secrets to become a public speaker. So I'm congratulating everyone. Hi, welcome to the first chapter. In this course, the first chapter, what do you learn? See, in this chapter, what do you learn as a public speaker to become the effective public speaker? There are six topics I have mentioned in this course. The first topic is benefits of public speaking course. Means first, whatever we are going to learn, whatever we are going to topics, and whatever we are concept, first we need to see what are the benefits of learning those concepts is the most important. Compulsory, we need to see that. So that I have mentioned benefits of public speaking course. By learning this course, what do you, how far it going to help you? How far it going to change your life? I have mentioned very clearly in this. And the second chapter is how to introduce yourself. See, whenever you start speech, don't we are not supposed to start speech directly. First, we need to give our fabulous introduction. First, what you are, what you are speaking, how, why you are speaking. Compulsory, you need to mention in this introduction part. So, how we can give the effective introduction to the audience, how we can attract audience by giving our fabulous introduction. I have mentioned in the second chapter. The third chapter, see how to build a self confidence. Means as a public speaker we need to have self confidence first. We have to assure ourselves, then only we can uh, give the speech, we can motivate, we can inspire the others. So how we can build self confidence, I have mentioned in this third chapter. Next, how to avoid stage fear. Compulsory, each and every human being have little bit stage fear. So such stage fear, how we can avoid the stage fear, I have mentioned, and with the techniques, the fabulous techniques I have mentioned in this chapter. And the next chapter is tips to become effective public speaker. An effective public speaker will have some techniques, has to use some techniques before the audience. I mean, like body language and content preparation and everything I have mentioned in this effective public speaker. It is the most important tips and top secrets I have mentioned this with the techniques, easy techniques, so that the fifth chapter is the most important chapter in our course. And the next, good qualities of public speaker. As a public speaker, what type of qualities we have and what type of whether they are good or bad. Compulsory, I mentioned that we have to avoid that uh, qualities. We should have the good qualities only. So that here I have mentioned what type of good qualities we must have as a public speaker. I have mentioned this. Yes. So in this, as a first chapter, here I have mentioned what we are going to learn in this public speaking course. I have mentioned the six top secrets. That's all for this lesson. Next, go ahead to next chapter.